Okay, so you know how we all use Excel, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like it's the go-to for pretty much anything with data, you
Yeah.
know?
Absolutely. Spreadsheets galore.
Exactly. And sometimes I feel like I'm just, drowning in numbers. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's
Yeah,
like staring at this wall of data.
exactly. And it's like, where do you even begin to like make sense of it all, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to kind of dig into today. We got these notes here. It's called pasted text, and
Interesting.
it's got some pretty interesting stuff
Yeah.
actually. Like right off the bat, there's this keyboard shortcut, and I'm just looking at like
Yeah.
what?
Oh, a shortcut.
Yeah, it says Alt HFE, and I'm thinking, what in the world could that possibly do?
Alt HEC. That's a mouthful.
Right, just a jumble of letters, but apparently it's like this hidden doorway into something really powerful.
Hmm. Okay, so spill the beans. What does it do?
Well, it activates this thing called Analyze Data, which is built right into Excel.
Oh, wow. Analyze data. I've heard whispers of this.
Yeah, it's like having your own personal data analyst, but like without the cost and the small talk.
Right, because who needs that?
Exactly, just straight to the insights.
So what kind of analysis are we talking about here? Does it like make you a coffee too?
Well, it probably can't do that yet, but I mean, seriously though, what does analyze actually even mean? Like, give me an example.
Okay, so let's say you've got, a spreadsheet packed with sales data from the past year.
Hmm.
Now, instead of you like manually trying to spot trends or create charts, you just hit this magic shortcut and boom, Analyze Data steps in.
Okay.
It'll whip up charts and graphs for you, highlighting like the peak sales months, any dips, maybe some seasonal patterns you wouldn't have even noticed.
It's like taking raw data and turning it into something you can actually understand.
Exactly. It's like it reads the story hidden in your numbers and then like presents it to you in a way that makes sense.
Wow. And there's also this little note here about the analyze data feature needing an internet connection.
Oh, right. That's an important point.
So is that like sending my data somewhere?
Okay, so it's not like it's uploading your whole spreadsheet to some, secret server, but it does need the internet to tap into some serious AI power.
AI, so artificial intelligence is involved
Oh,
here.
yeah, this isn't just some basic calculations happening on your computer. Excel is connecting to the cloud to leverage those powerful algorithms.
Okay, so that explains the internet thing, but
Yeah.
does this only work for sales data?
No, no, no. This is where it gets really interesting. Analyze data is like a Swiss Army knife for insights.
Okay,
I mean, think about it. Anything you can put in a spreadsheet can be analyzed, right?
that's true.
So you could use it for like website traffic,
Hmm.
social media engagement,
Oh, wow.
project timelines, financial performance, like the list goes on and on.
That's like a whole new way of looking at Excel.
It's like Excel just got a major upgrade.
So to recap, we've got this simple keyboard shortcut, Alt HFE, that unleashes this powerful AI-driven analysis tool, and it can be used on pretty much any data you can throw at it.
Yeah, pretty much sums it up.
This is blowing my mind. Like, I've been using Excel for years, and I had no idea this even existed.
I know, right? It's like discovering a secret room in your house that you've lived in forever.
Exactly. And now I'm thinking, like, what kind of insights have I been missing out on all this time?
Well, the good news is the possibilities are pretty much endless now that you know about it, right?
Yeah, so if you're listening to this and you use Excel, I mean, you got to try this out. Like, what data will you explore with this analyze data feature? It's really is kind of exciting.
Yeah, it's a whole new world of spreadsheet adventures.
Exactly.
Have fun exploring.
Yeah. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's been an eye-opener.
My pleasure.
Until next time. Happy spreadsheeting, everybody.
Keep the shortcuts coming.
We will.